How to hide posts from Facebook timeline. Now let's say you want to hide the post that you have from your Facebook timeline or from the Facebook timeline of your friends. This so that you can limit the interaction that you're getting from this specific post. Now in order for you to hide the post from others' Facebook timeline, all you have to do is to go to your profile settings right here, or profile icon right there, and you just have to scroll down until you find the post that you want to hide. Let's say this one right here. Now, in order for me to hide this specific post from others' Facebook timeline, all I have to do is to tap on these three dots on the upper part of the post right here. And then there is a section that says hide from profile. So this post will be hidden from my profile so that whenever someone stalks me, this people or this person that is stalking me won't be able to see the post that I have right now. So if I tap on hide from profile and confirm this post will be hidden from people that will stalk me. So that's how to hide posts from Facebook timeline. Hope we help.